This lesson, we're taking a look at hierarchical organization within the human body. So basically, how is it that things are organized in increasing complexity? So we can start off with the simplest part that has a distinct function or distinct characteristics, which is the atom. Put them, several atoms together, you get a molecule. Molecules together make macromolecules. Macromolecules will make organelles. Several organelles together will make a cell. Cells to tissues, tissues to organs, organs to organ systems, and organ systems to complete organisms. So what is it that makes something a cell? Well, cells are a basic unit of structure, and they have a particular function. They carry out a particular life process. So many of the cells, as we've talked about in previous lessons, have specialized structures to perform specific functions. Their structure is going to dictate their function. So in this example, we have a nerve cell with lots of different projections and protrusions to allow it to communicate better with many different cells, seeing as that is its function. When a lot of cells come together to perform a task, we call that a tissue, or a group of connected cells that have a similar function. So we can have nervous tissue, so nerve transmission of that information, one nerve to the next. You have multiple muscle cells together in a muscle tissue to actually perform a contraction of a muscle. When we get many different tissues together, organized to perform a particular function, we get an organ. So different types of tissues working together to perform a specific body function. So you have the example of your stomach to digest the foods. You have the heart to pump blood. You have lungs for the diffusion of different gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Organ systems are several organs put together to perform a major body function. So you have the digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system within an organism. So both plants and animals do have this hierarchy of organization. We can take a look at our animal example here. We have a cell. We have our muscle tissue grouped together with nervous tissue and other tissues to make the heart as part of the circulatory system in the zebra, and then that organ system with many others to make the full organism of a zebra. In terms of our plant cells, we have a plant cell forming different types of tissues put together. Organs, in this example a leaf, many leaves together working as part of an organ system, and then the organism being the entire tree.